How to set up ATT Hub 2025. Setting up the ATT Hub sounds complicated, but most people overthink it. In reality, the process is smooth if you follow the steps in order. Let's walk through it together in 2025. Start by placing the ATT Hub in a central location. Avoid closets, basements, or areas surrounded by thick walls. Placement alone can improve Wi-Fi performance dramatically. Connect the hub to your fiber or broadband outlet using the provided cable. Plug in the power adapter and wait for the indicator light to stabilize. This can take several minutes. Next, download the ATT Smart Home Manager app. Sign in using your ATT account credentials. The app will automatically detect the ATT Hub. Follow the on-screen instructions to name your Wi-Fi network and create a secure password. Most people get this wrong by reusing old Wi-Fi names and passwords. Creating a new network helps prevent device conflicts. Once connected, the app runs a system check and optimizes your network. You won't believe how much control the app gives you over connected devices. If you have ATT extenders, pair them through the app after the hub is fully online. The surprising truth is that most Wi-Fi issues come from rushed setup, not bad equipment. In 2025, ATT Hub delivers strong performance when set up correctly. Take your time, follow each step, and enjoy smoother coverage across your home. Subscribe for more internet setup guides explained without stress.